Alright, guys. So in this short video, I want to be explaining a trade I took. I think I posted a screenshot on my Twitter page, right? So if you don't know my Twitter, you can use this opportunity to just follow me so you can get more valuable content. You must type my Twitter page out so you can follow me if you're just watching this. I think it's at Geoffrey Wongba. Alright, so now that's my Twitter page. So alright, so I want to just explain the trade I took on USDCHF. Now, I'm going to be very brief, right? I'll just assume that you know certain things I'm going to be saying here, right? So, firstly, the trade was taken around there, and I quoted the screenshots. Like when I'll be posting this video, I'll be quoting the screenshot so you guys can see the trade. All right. So, personally, I don't use Trading View for when I want to post charts. Like if I'm posting my trade I took, I don't use Trading View because I believe that Trading View results can be manipulated, right? So if I just simply click on replay now, I can simply just click on replay and then do whatever I want to do, and then it will look like I took the trade, right? So that's why I don't like using Trading View for my trade because it can be manipulated. But if you use um MT5 screenshots like with the timestamp, it's not very easy to manipulate it, right? So now this is the trade idea. Firstly, I was looking at the news and I saw something very interesting, right? So looking at the news, we had today's Wednesday, we had GBP CPI by 8 o'clock on Nigerian time, and it was a bullish news. Why is it bullish? Because the actual was above the forecast and the previous. So that was very bullish on GBP. And if you look at GBP charts around that same period, right, so somewhere around there, right, this is where the news happened, somewhere around there, right? You can say the news was very bullish, right? Now, I know that based on correlative analysis, GBP USD has a negative correlation with some GBP um, has a negative correlation with the US dollar, right? I won't go into deep what correlation is all about. So what I simply mean is that when GBP is bullish, most time dollar drops. And when dollar is dropping, when dollar is bullish, most time GBP spikes. So I was looking at the news and I wanted to just take a scalp. So I was like, okay, I was watching the chart and I saw that, okay, this news was very bullish. And I was looking at GBP chart at that period. You can see how GBP was spiking up. I was like, okay, if GBP is spiking up, then I should anticipate some bearish price action on USD. So I just simply came to USDCHF, which is a pair I trade. So I was watching USDCHF, and then I observed something. Number one, I observed that we had the Asian range. Let me just show the Asian range. I won't go into much details here because waste my time to start explaining it. So we had our Asian range from here, from 8 o'clock here, down up to 12. This was the Asian range. This was Asian range, right? This whole area was an Asian range. I won't explain in details. You can check my YouTube channel to get all those things, right? I won't start to take up what's Asian range here. So it's all on my YouTube channel. All right, so this is Asian range. And whenever I am bearish, I like to see price go above the Asian range and then break structure. So I was watching this coupled with the fact that GBP was giving a very strong bullish indication. So I was looking for a reason to sell. So I had my sell confirmation here. When price took out this low, right? When price took out this low, I was like, okay, I've gotten what I'm looking for. And then I was watching this range. I was like, okay, if GBP USD wants to really sell, at least you should go below this low. So I was okay, price should go below this low right here, right? So I was targeting, and then I took the trade because of that. So I saw liquidity being captured. Number one, we saw our Asian range captured. Our Asian range high was captured. That is first liquidity point. And then we had another liquidity captured at this point here. See this liquidity, this point here. So we had two liquidity grabs, and then we had a break of structure. And not only that, I saw how price was respecting this fair value gap here. So we had the fair value gap inside there, right? And price, you could see how price was respecting it. What do I mean? There's a popular saying that says the bodies tell the story, the weak does the damage, right? So you can see that the bodies of the candle were refusing to go above this fair value gap. So I was like, okay, if it's refusing to go above the fair value gap, then that means there is some kind of rejection there. So I was watching this coupled with the fact that GBP was very, very bullish. I was like, okay, I was watching all this and I was like, okay, GP is bullish and USD is giving that weakness on USDCHF. So I simply went short here, and I think my stops were above this high. So I went short somewhere around there. All right, I went short here. Stop loss was above this whole move here. I don't know, somewhere around there, just above there. That was what I was targeting. Just let this thing will allow me to. Okay, let me just put it 3 2. Let me just put 329. Okay, let me just manually do it because this is not letting me do it. So I let me just quickly do it. Stops at 329. So 29. Right. So I'm not using my MT5 now. So I'm not really getting the exact price levels. So my stop was above this. I can check the screenshots and I was targeting I think 1 is to 2 point something. So it's somewhere around there, or my TP somewhere around 1 is to 2 point something. And I'm not really sure 2.2 or so. So just a bit below this low, and that was my trade. So I just simply took my shot and then I was targeting it. And if you watch carefully, if you take this range now, if you take this range, I plus the 50% of the range. So this is the range now, range high to range low. You can see that my TP was around the 50% of the range. So that was what I was targeting, around that 50% of the range, right? You can see Asian range between this high and this low. This was the 50% of the range. So I was like, okay, let me just TP at the 50%. So I just went short there. I can see it was a beautiful trade. Bam, price hit my TP and reversed and then went higher, right? So that was essentially the trade idea. So some of the things I mentioned there, you may not really understand it. That's why you need to go to my YouTube channel to get more information, right? So my YouTube channel is Electron FX Academy. You will get all the um explanation you need, and I'll be posting more. So if you want me to post more of these explanatory videos, do also follow me and retweet or repost this post so other people can see this post. So repost it so other people can see. This is free of charge, free explanation. So just repost so other people can learn. And then if you have any question, do to type it in the comment section, and then you can always go to my YouTube channel to get more of the technicals, right? So that is all for now. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys in the next video.